Our first test was the durability and operating environment test, where we tested the wheelchair connected to the basket holding 20 pounds of weight on 3 different surfaces. We tested concrete, gravel, and bricks. There was not much to do with this test other than we added some weight to show that it would be sustainable, and we just rolled around for a solid 50 to 100 meters in each different terrain. Here is our table for the durability and operating environment test. We had 3 trials, one of concrete, one of gravel, and one of brick. All 3 passed with flying colors because the basket stayed on tight to the wheelchair with the 20 pounds in there. The only one that slightly had a concern was the gravel test, which would replicate a parking lot of the grocery store. It only raised concerns, and we only noted it in our observations because it slightly moved from the hard surface, but not enough to be concerning.
In our second trial, we tested performance. We took how long it would take to attach the clamps and the basket to the wheelchair. In the next video, you'll see me, Kaylin, and Maya attach the clamps and the basket to the wheelchair in under 60 seconds. Next, you will see our time trials for our performance test. Kaylin had the longest time with 57 seconds, Maya was in the middle with 51, and I had the shortest of 44. All of these times passed our initial time set of 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Our third and final test is our weight test. Our weight test determined the weight limit of our basket and the sturdiness of the design. In the next clip I'll be showing you, Maya will be adding 120 pounds to the basket, and you will get to see how our basket reacts to the weight being added. All right, this is 110 pounds. Okay, doing pretty good. Now this is 120. I think that's our limit.
Well, I mean, you're 119 pounds, so I think we can't have any more weight than you already are. So.
Next, you will see our data table for our weight test, and you can see that our basket remained very sturdy even when we added more and more weight. Our group also discovered that our basket is able to hold more than 120 pounds, but since I was in the chair and I only weigh about 119 pounds, we were not able to add much more weight than 120 pounds due to the danger of the cart toppling forwards due to the imbalance of the weight. Overall, our design passed the weight test with flying colors because the basket without fail held the weight and no parts were broken.